Hello, welcome to day 3 of my India series. Today we're shopping for outfits for the Hindu wedding that I'll be going to for the next few days. So if that interests you, come along. But I'm also going to be talking about why Indian population actually gets a lot of AI tools first. So if that also interests you, come along. So I went for more Bianca breakfast, which is like oats, I think. And then I've got peanut butter on the side. And then honey. And also, look at my coffee. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's about 10 o'clock now. Sorry, I'm just checking. And we're going to leave the hotel. And we're going to head to hotel number 2. And meet 2 new members of the vlog. Welcome to the insides of my logbook while doing a PhD in AI. So lately, I've been noticing that India seems to get a lot of the AI features first. Why is that? Yeah. Several global tech companies have chosen India as one of their first rollout markets for new AI tools. News outlets like the Economic Times have reported that major telecom providers are planning to bundle AI assistants directly into mobile plans, which means millions of people could end up using them by default. And when you combine that with the fact that India has one of the world's largest smartphone using populations, it becomes a practical place for companies to launch and observe how these tools behave at scale. So the next question I have, what makes India a place where companies want to invest in AI? So scale is a big part of it. Hundreds of millions of people use the internet daily, mostly through mobile data rather than broadband. That creates a constant stream of real-world usage, which companies can learn from very quickly. Consulting and industry reports have also noted that professionals and students in India tend to be relatively open to trying new digital tools, including AI. So if a company wants fast feedback, this is one of the few places where they can get it almost immediately. Size of the population, or is there more to it? There's definitely more. Many people move between multiple languages every day, sometimes even within one message or conversation. For AI models that handle speech, translation, or text prediction, that's a real performance test. And because network quality and device types vary widely, companies get insight into how well their tools work outside of ideal conditions. That combination, linguistic variety and uneven infrastructure, makes the testing environment unusually diverse. So the next question I would ask is, does this happen with other technologies? Yes, this pattern didn't start with AI. Google has tested India-focused features in the past, including lighter versions of its apps and search tools that support multiple local languages. YouTube's multilingual captioning and WhatsApp's in-app payment systems were both introduced in India before expanding elsewhere. So what is happening with this AI in India isn't random. It fits into a longer history of companies trialing products here because of the scale and usage patterns. So the next question I ask is, how does this early access actually show up in daily life? Usually in small, quiet ways. Students trying AI study helpers or businesses using AI-powered chat support because it came bundled with their telecom plan. Some schools and tutoring platforms have already started experimenting with AI tools for homework assistance and explanations, something Google has publicly highlighted in recent announcements. And because millions of people interact with these features quickly, companies can see what's useful and what still needs some work. So what does this all mean for the bigger picture? It suggests that India isn't just receiving global technology, it's helping shape it. When companies design, test, and refine products here, the lessons often carry over to how those tools are built for the rest of the world. So instead of being a secondary market, India becomes part of the development cycle itself. And that influence happens quietly through everyday usage rather than in big announcements. So, and I'll say it again, I think we all owe India a big thank you for being a major part in this technological rollout.
I don't think it's going to fit. Yeah. I mean, typically you take it in one go. You can break it, but you lose the fun.
Wow. It's lovely. It's very, I would suggest you try it. It's very good. It's very good.